Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle ACB is 30 degrees, and moreover this side AC length is 2 units, whereas this other side AB length is square root of 2 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step, since we are interested in calculating the area of this triangle ABC. The straightforward approach is supposed to be law of sines, or we could use the law of cosines as well. However, I am going to show you the alternative approach to calculate the area of the triangle. So therefore, we are going to drop this perpendicular AD on this base BC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle ABC is BC length. This is our base, whereas this perpendicular AD is the height of the triangle. So therefore now our task is to calculate the height and the base of this triangle before we could calculate the area of this triangle. And now let's focus on this right triangle ADC. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore, in this triangle ADC, this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore, this angle has got to be a 60 degree angle. And now we could see that this triangle ADC is our 30, 60, 90 degrees special triangle. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic review. And let's focus on this 30, 60, 90 special triangle ADC. And here we can see 30 degrees is our smallest angle, whereas 90 degrees is our largest angle. So therefore, the side opposite to this smallest angle is going to be our smallest leg, whereas the side opposite to our largest angle is going to be our longest leg, and that leg is also called the hypotenuse. So therefore, in such kind of special 30, 60, 90 triangle, the longest leg is always twice the smallest leg. In other words, if the smallest leg is 1, then the longest leg is going to be 2, and this third leg has got to be the square root of 3. And now let's revert our attention back to our this problem. We can see that this hypotenuse is 2 units, and this is our longest leg, and we can see this AD is our smallest leg. So this has got to be half of this one, so this is going to be 1, and this third leg CD has got to be the square root of 3. And now we are going to focus on this other right triangle ADB, and I'm going to label this tiny segment BD length as X. And now we are going to find the value of X. And now let's make an observation. We can see the height of this triangle ABC turns out to be 1 unit. So therefore, we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to solve for X. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is square root of 2, whereas our two other legs are x and 1. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So that's going to be x square plus 1 square is going to be equal to the square root of 2 whole square. And now let's make an observation. We can see the square of the square root of 2 is simply 2. So therefore, we are going to get x square plus 1 equals to 2. And now I am going to subtract 1 from both sides. So therefore, this 1 and negative 1 is gone. x square turns out to be equal to 1. And now I am going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be positive 1 unit. So therefore our this x value turns out to be 1. So the whole base BC length is going to be square root of 3 plus 1. So I can write the base is going to be simply square root of 3 plus 1 units. And furthermore, the height of this triangle ABC is going to be this perpendicular which is 1 unit. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And we already figured out the base and the height. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times our base is square root of 3 plus 1 times the height is 1. And if we simplify, the area of this triangle ABC is going to be square root of 3 plus 1 all over 2 square units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be square root of 3 plus 1 all over 2 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 1.37 square units as well. In other words, the area of this triangle turns out to be square root of 3 plus 1 all over 2 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.